Good day, everybody. I took a drive up into the San Gabriel mountain range to the east side because I wanted to share with you the Silverwood Lake that's located up there. It is formed by the Cedar Springs Dam. I'll share a picture of the dam with you. I'm driving by it right now, and I'm on my way to the side of the dam to where there's a lookout where I can fly the drone. I wanted to stop here and get a picture of the dam, but I was afraid I was going to run into issues with the wind blowing. If you find this content interesting, please reach down the bottom there, mash that like and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, and it helps our channel in the algorithm. Thank you for that. So I continued on until I could get to where I'd be able to fly the drone. But this dam is filled by the Edmonston Pumping Plant that comes from basically the San Joaquin Valley, and I'm going to share a picture of the pump plant with you. And it's said to be the world's largest water lift, and it's pumping water that is coming down an aqueduct that comes from the Sierra Nevada mountain range. The water has to travel quite a long distance up the aqueduct here, and it reaches the pump station that has 14 80,000 horsepower vertical turbine pumps that lift the water up to 3,350 feet elevation to where the Silverwood Lake is located. The lift plant also pumps water all the way up to Paris Lake in San Bernardino County, and I'll show you a picture of Paris Lake too, and I'm going to include that also in an upcoming video. I included this Google Earth image so you can see how far it is from the Edmonston Pump Plant to Silverwood Lake and then on to Paris Lake.
It's all about how you were with my parents. Yeah, it changed their mind. You were sweet and looking like you cared, boy. That was hard to find. I caught feelings, how could these feelings? I caught feelings, how could these feelings? I caught feelings, how could these feelings? I caught feelings, how could these feelings?
If you liked our content, please reach down and mash the like and subscribe. We'd appreciate it. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch our video.